This tutorial covers setting the basic functions of the heavy water diver. First, start by identifying the screw down crown. Unscrew this crown counterclockwise approximately 4 times to break the watertight seal. You'll feel it pop out as the spring backs out. Pull the crown out 1 click. This will allow you to set the date. Turning left doesn't do anything, but turning to the right advances the date by 1 click. Have the date set to 1 day before your current date. Now wait for the second hand to reach midnight, and then pull the crown out to the third and final click. In this position, you're able to adjust the time at will by turning left or right. Keep advancing the time until the date turns over to your current date. Now here, if the date didn't turn over, it means that we're at noon and not at midnight. Keep going around the face of the watch until you do reach midnight, and then the date will roll over to today's current date for you. Now you can set the current time. In this example, that would be at 3:05 a.m. Now push the crown in to start the time running. To maintain the watertight seal, you must screw in the crown until it stops approximately 4 times clockwise. This is imperative. The bezel is a useful device for monitoring parking meters and other elapsed time. It only ratchets to the left, and this is a diving precaution against exceeding bottom times. Set the dot to the current position of the minute hand. As time progresses, you can read off the elapsed time, in this case 34 minutes. You can do likewise for hours and seconds. Now you're all set.